I'm Anuradha. I graduated last year from GLC Mumbai, and I'm currently working as a legal manager with L&T Financial Services. Actually, the thing is that when I was in my law school, I was interested in contracts, and I was thinking of pursuing a course at that time as well. I was in my third year, and I think LawSeco had a tie-up with NUJS at that time. But then, due to some issues, I couldn't join the course, and I was very skeptical also how the course would turn out to be. But after 2 years, I think I was still planning that I'll join the course someday. And since the lockdown came up, I thought that I should take up this opportunity and pursue my long term. I should pursue the goal which I was thinking for quite some time. I'll complete a month now on 16th. I have learned to draft basic clauses as such. Initially, the thought of I was interested in contracts, but if somebody would ask me that, please, Anuradha, draft a contract for me, I don't think I could have done that. So it's been almost a month now, and the most basic thing which I have learned is that I have overcome that fear. If somebody will ask me to draft a contract, I'm confident enough that I will at least start with the basic clauses and then I can proceed further. So that's the most basic thing which I have learned in the last 1 month. Secondly, the course also comes up with a variety of other development options. So, for example, we have 6 modules in this course, and one of them is based on your writing skills, on your networking, on your CV writing. So, they have a lot of videos in that which you can watch and enhance your skills. So, to give an example, every month we get a writing assignment which you have to write in this course as a part of this course. I've completed my writing article within 3 days and I'm just waiting for the results. So that course and those videos have given me the confidence to try and write an article as well. Practically, no, because I'm involved with the I'm working with the retail litigation team of LTFS. So usually we just refer and review the drafts which are given by the advocates. So I have reviewed those drafts only, but we do not deal with contracts per se. Especially, as I told you, that when anybody will tell me that this is a contract, please review my contract or draft some clauses, or this is the situation, please draft an agreement for me. I could have not done that. But now, since it's been 1 month, at least I have the confidence that yes, I can draft some clauses, I can review your agreement, I can suggest some changes which you can make in your agreement to make the agreement more in your favor. This is what I've learned in the past 1 month. Lawyers who are interested in freelancers who want to pursue their careers as contract drafters, they should definitely take up this course. Even lawyers who are working elsewhere but they want to work in the contract department or the corporate department of any law firm or an in-house company, they should take up this course. The basic aim, the basic goal in my mind, with the reason why I took up this course was because I was always interested in contracts, but I never knew how to draft one. And in the future, I really want to work as an in-house counsel in the corporate department of a company. So this is the reason why I have taken up this course, and I would suggest anyone who wants to work in a corporate legal department, be it a law firm, be it a company, or you want to practice as a freelancer, this course is really useful for them. It was really great. Initially, our first session I was a bit skeptical how the course would turn out to be. But after I'd enrolled for the course, in fact, what happened with me was a few people on the LinkedIn messaged me up saying that we have seen that you have joined this course. And they are also enrolled as students of the LawSeco contract drafting course. And they gave me really wonderful views about it. And so that eased me up. I was a bit relaxed that yes, the course is nice. And overall, it's been a good experience.